House Democrats on Wednesday stalled the bill that would have provided additional security for Supreme Court justices on the same day a man was arrested for attempting to murder Justice Brett Kavanaugh. House Republican leader Kevin McCarthy made a unanimous consent request on the House floor, which passed the Senate by a unanimous vote, would have allocated additional security for the justices' family members. Despite McCarthy's request, Speaker Pelosi and the Democrats failed to comply with McCarthy's proposal to bring the bill to vote. McCarthy condemned the House Democrats for their refusal to vote on the bill and noted that their refusal came on the same day a man was arrested for plotting to kill Justice Kavanaugh. In the early morning hours of Wednesday, law enforcement arrested a man near Kavanaugh's Maryland home. Authorities later charged the California man with attempted murder. McCarthy said, "Earlier today, a man was arrested for plotting to kill Justice Kavanaugh. Over a month ago, the Senate unanimously passed a bill to provide more security for Supreme Court justices and their family. But House Democrats have let that bill gather dust. This is the same party whose heated rhetoric has encouraged political pressure on conservative justices." As McCarthy noted, President Joe Biden's White House encouraged protests on the front steps of justices' homes. McCarthy also drew attention to Democrat Senate leader Chuck Schumer's comment that conservative justices, and I quote, "will pay the price" for issuing an abortion opinion he didn't like. McCarthy added, "Mr. Speaker, with words like that and threats like these, Congress cannot afford to wait." McCarthy continued, "We have a duty to protect the court, the justices, and their families from political violence and intimidation. And we can meet that duty tonight before the House adjourns by sending this bill to the President's desk." Justices' homes have been the target of protests since the radical pro-abortion protesters were outraged with the Supreme Court's leaked opinion that would overturn the landmark abortion case Roe v. Wade. McCarthy is not the only Republican to call out the House Democrats for blocking the bill from coming to the floor for a vote. Republican Senate leader Mitch McConnell also had strong words for Pelosi and her colleagues. McConnell said, "House Democrats have spent weeks blocking the measure that passed unanimously related to the security of Supreme Court justices. That needs to change, and it needs to change right now. No more fiddling around with this. They need to stop their multi-week blockade against the Supreme Court security bill and pass it before the sun sets today." Senator John Cornyn said, "The rest of this individual proves these threats to the justices' lives are horrifyingly real, and it's unconscionable for House Democrats to leave their families without police protection for even one more day." House Democrats are reportedly holding out on the bill to include additional protections for Supreme Court employees. When asked about the bill's status, House Democrat leader Steny Hoyer told reporters on Wednesday, "I hope we're close." Well, this is terrible, I can tell you. Would like to know your take on this. Share them in the comments. And also share this news and support us through subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.